Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are doing word shapes with the sound long E. Now remember that long E makes the E sound, but sometimes Y can make the E sound when it is found at the end of the word. Listen to the words in our word bank. We have bunny, candy, happy, holly, penny, puppy, story, sunny. So you notice the pattern that Y can make an E sound at the end of the word sometimes. So we're going to go ahead and do our word shapes. Our first word is bunny. B is a tall letter. I'm looking for a word shape that starts with a tall letter. B, a, n, e, bunny. And I'm going to cross off bunny to help myself stay organized. Our next word shape we're trying to fill is with the word candy. K, a, n, d, e, candy. Our next word is happy. Happy starts with a tall letter and it has 3 basement letters. Happy. H, a, p, e, happy. Holly is our next word. Holly has 3 tall letters and 1 basement letter. Holly. H, a, l, e, holly. Go ahead and finish your word shapes and then move to the other side of your paper. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Okay, my friends, today we are doing sentence writing. We are going to make sure that we write a complete sentence using a capital letter, finger spaces, and correct punctuation at the end. We can use any word from our word bank on the other side of our paper. I am going to use the word bunny for my first sentence. And my first sentence is going to be, I saw a cute bunny on the field trip. Capital I, finger space, saw, s, aw, finger space, a, cute. Cute has a long vowel silent E. K, u, t, cute. Bunny, b, a, n, e, on, the, field trip. T r I p trip with a period at the end. Read my sentence again. I saw a cute bunny on the field trip. Now I need to check my work. Do I have a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence? Yes, I do. Do I have finger spaces between each word? Yes. And do I have a ending punctuation mark? Yes. Way to go. Our next sentence, I'm going to try to use 2 words from my word bank on my second sentence, just for a fun challenge. My sentence is going to be, I was happy when my sister gave me candy. I was happy when my sister gave me candy. Capital letter to start our sentence. I was happy that Y makes that E sound when finger space my sister S I S T R controlled vowel. I was happy when my sister gave long vowel silent E me candy. K A N D E candy. And I'm going to underline the words from my word bank to show my teacher that I'm using words. Look at that on my second sentence. I used 2 words from my word bank. I'm proud of myself. I was happy when my sister gave me candy. All right, I'm going to do one last sentence with you. Now remember, you don't have to be using my sentences. You are welcome to write your own. My next sentence, I'm going to use 2 words from my word bank again. My sentence is going to be, my teacher read a story about a puppy. My teacher read a story about a puppy. So I need a capital letter to start my sentence. My teacher. T-E-Ch-er. Finger space. T-E. Oh, we have a vowel team. T-E-A. Consonant digraph. Vowel R. My teacher read. Oh, we have another vowel team. E-A saying this time. My teacher read a story. Or E about a puppy. My teacher read a story about a puppy. Then just for fun, to show my teacher what words I use for my word bank, I'm going to underline them. You are on your own from here. I challenge you to try to use 2 words from your word bank in each sentence. You're going to do great. When you're done, turn it into the basket and move on to Lexia.